My click, clap goes the black hole dip, and just like it, I blow that shit, cause bitch, I'm the bomb like tick, tick, bitch, I'm the bomb like tick.
Knicks fans, so we win again. So what did you think? Alright, I'm just gonna cut straight to the chase, alright? We are in the A spot. We got Miami to play Chicago. Them two gonna be rough. We got Brooklyn again. I think we can beat them. And we got the Raptors. Two in there. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys think we can hold on to the spot? You know, I think we may lose it one day and lose the game. But as far as I'm concerned, we're going to hold on. You know, overall, we're going to have that A spot at the end of the season. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we still going to hold on to the players that we have for next season? I say keep Tyson Chandler, Carmelo Anthony, Amari Stoudemire, Shepherd, and Tim Hardaway Jr. Them five right there. I wish we could keep the whole team. But if not, them five I would like to see. I would love to see JR. But he's an awesome player. We know him. Knicks fans, we know him. But you got other people that's hating on him, saying that he always doing this and doing that. You know, it's just something about it in my soul that they may end up getting rid of him. I hope not. You know, them even the 6 players. But I'm going with them 5 players. So, what are you guys 5 players and why? Now, mine is because of defense, Chandler and Stoudemire, which is playing good. Shepherd running ball around real good. Defensive player, Carmelo Anthony, of course, we know who he is. Tim Hardaway Jr., up and rising star. That would be very dumb to get rid of him. J.R. Smith, even though streaky, is still a main factor in the Knicks organization. So that's what I'm rolling with. Who you guys rather see us play? Miami or Indiana? I think we can take Indiana. I think we can. Because at the beginning of the year, I was saying Indiana have enough power to outdo Miami. All the aggression and the defense, I mean, they were just dominating. I got the NBA League Pass because I can watch them. So I'll watch some Indiana games. But now, the last 20 or 30 games, the energy just been unbalanced. You know, they still looking good, but they're not looking at the same Indiana like they was earlier this year. So I don't know, I think we can take them. Miami been lacking too now. Don't get me wrong, Miami's been lacking too. But I think we have a better chance we'll beat Indiana. So I don't know, man. You guys let me know who you guys want to see this coming October, when you guys want to leave and why. And what do you think our push gonna be for the playoffs? You guys remember in 1998 we were the 8th seed. And we had a team that should be the 8th seed, and we ended up still making it to the NBA Finals. I think it's possible this year. Who said all these teams still going to play like that? The East is jacked up anyway. It has been all year. The only problem they got is Miami and Indiana. You know? So, man, I got faith in our team, man. I know we Knicks fans always say that, you know. And I know y'all New Yorkers know about it way more than me. About the fake part. You know, but I've been rocking with the Knicks since 94, so it ain't no thing. So, man, leave your comments below, man. Let me know what y'all get, man. Turn the fuck up. Let's go, man. Let's do this shit. Represent, man. Quit playing, son. That's what y'all saying? Quit playing, son. Real talk. Let's do this shit, man. Knicks Nation all day, every day, man. I'm Ghost.